Welcome back to Allen Mechanical. And today I've started taking the bumper off this car to take the bumper support out to remove the radiator. And what now follows is various short clips that were taken while I was recording it. Okay. Right, you have like T20, T20, T20. Now, to do that, I just turn the wheel the opposite way. So, pretty easy. One goes up through here, and you'll find that's a T25 if it hasn't rounded at all. So it screws up the side. There's no undercarriage on this. So it's 3 along the bottom on that side, 3 along the bottom on that side. All T20, I believe. I did actually lift the gearbox out of the way and undid the top there just so I could get the pipes easier. Don't know, I think it was a bit of a waste of time, but well, never mind. So headlights now. I think there's that bolt there, that bolt there, and that bolt, and that bolt. I can't see any other bolts unless there's one underneath. Yep, there's one underneath. So crack on with that. Another radiator there. Comes with condenser, intercooler, whole lot. Right. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, I believe they're still coming out. Might have to undo that. There's not much in the front of these cars, not compared to what it used to be. It's all bloody plastic. Plastic. Right. As far as I'm going just now, anyway. Getting kind of dark. Don't know, I just won't get as much done as I could, but I might take the Milwaukee gun out and try them. See, Ken, you see that? After that speed in that car. God, how old's this car? 15-year-old. Torx, eh? But yeah. I think it'd be like an ordinary screw out of it. I've got to take that crash bar off anyway. Might be alright in a wee lawnmower, but it's not in a car. No, how long do you expect the car to last? How long do you expect the car to last? That's the way I see it. Average of a car up here is 10 years, and after that it's knackered. That wing's no the greatest. Driver's side wing. Yeah, sod it. I'll finish it up there anyway. Right. That's the front of it. Radiator out of it. That's just well, I wouldn't advise doing it that way. Don't really matter for me. That's the wrong radiator. You'll tell. So that's a different radiator. Shouldn't really leave that line like that, but I'll stand it upright in a minute. It's just because I've had to put it flat to get to the radiator. Had to watch that aircon pipes A pain in the ass. There's no aircon on it anyway, to be fair. Well, it probably started out life with aircon, but it doesn't have it now. Right, so I'll have to take that off. And put that onto the new radiator, which is in the boot of my car. So I've just spent the last hour looking for a Torx that I dropped on top of the intercooler, and that was a pain in the neck. So anyway, that was the next steps in it. Them 4 bolts, a Torx T30 that hold this radiator on, and 4 bolts that hold that on, T30s, all seized solid. Anyway, we'll battle on. That's the radiator pack in, connected one side. It's not connected the other side yet. Big pipe there to go back onto it. Pipes up there to go into there. Boost pipes on. That pipes to go, pipes, electrics to go back in there. Headlight plug. Pipe for boost right here. Slowly but surely coming together. Now comes the next fun bit. It's lifting it all back up. It's good fun on your own. Anyway, that's the front back on. Put some water in it, and then I'm going to start it up. I've just got to put the bumper back on it, some ducting back on it. That's about it. Scrap radiators. It's a whole heap of it. Is it all back in? If you see any Torx lining about, they're off that old radiator. There is a couple. This is best as it's lining up. Headlight won't go any further back. Not sure why. I don't even know if it was like that beforehand. I can't remember it. I think it might have been. There's no really any adjustment on it anyway. It doesn't really matter. It still lines up at the front. So, but anyway, next time you'll see this, hopefully it'll be running. Trying to build up the temperature now. Keeping an eye on the coolant. Bled it through the radiators. It's getting warm. Temperature gauge hasn't moved yet. Don't worry about the lights. Heaters are getting warm. The lights are on. I've got flat tires. I haven't plugged in the fog lights. So we've got some lights, but the heaters are getting warm. I don't have any leaks at the front of it yet, so everything should be good. I want to get that warm because I'm not driving it out on the road. That's the problem with diesels. It's no stone cold. The gauge might be reading stone cold. Right now it's not stone cold. I've been running for the last 5-10 minutes. Just coming down on the minimum, just above the minimum of the coolant. heated hoses are getting warm. Down there. You can see that heater pipe. And that one there. There's no leaks. So far, so good. There's a bit left to do, like crack the front on it, put the fog lights on it. Put the heater duct on it, there's the air box. Not that much work to do. I'll probably top that up. Blow up the tires. I'll probably run it for a wee while. I'll bring his back once I've got all the front on it and that. Well, I know it's straight out there. Okay.